Wheel leakage down die holder. Remove the down die holder. Tighten tongue screw. Operating grip provides pressure. Easy to remove the piston. Remove O-ring. Replacement of no O-ring. Tighten tongue screw. Pressurize the oil lock. Put the piston on. Push it down. Put the spring on. Put on the down die holder. Confirmation of normal use. Tongue screw wheel leakage. Gouge with a screwdriver. Unscrew the tongue screw. Remove the steel ball inside. Clean with rust remover. Remove the seal from the tongue screw. Replacement of new seals in case of damage. Reinsert the steel ball. Reinstall tongue screw. Tapping screws with a hammer. Grip. Oil leakage. Remove the circlip with circlip pliers. Remove pins and grasp. Plunger. Remove the sealing ring and O-ring in turn. Confirmation of damage. Replacement of seals and O-rings in a timely manner. Put the plunger back on. Put in the grasp and the pins. Placing the circlip. None is aged and damaged. Spin out body handle. Spin out wheel plug. Drain out waste wheel. Remove O-ring. Remove the non. Cleaning magnets. Reinstall the oil non. Replacement of no O-ring. Fill oil. Exhaust air insert wheel plug. Spin back the handle. Confirmation of normal use.